drug stopped working when I was born, but all the fairy dust I breathe is doing nothing to relieve the strife of broken autumn leaves in the sand. I'm still high on the music as my inner child cries, for she may lose it. And the incense in my eyes can't save the sin between your thighs, because you stabbed me with your lies. You're not the only one that's broken. Whore, fuck your drugs, I introduce you anyway. You're a slave, spun, undone. I met you in an alleyway, and I'm never okay, 'cause I'm pretending like I'm keeping it together. I'm pretending like I'm keeping it together. My bones are scratched and so forlorn, and all the Prozac that I take is only lulling me to make up this for smile that is fake for all the doctors. But I'll get by, for the music stand as an object so they can use it. So go snort your love right powder, I'll just play my music louder and get my drugs from the counter at the pharmacy. Whore, fuck your drugs, I introduce you anyway. You're a slave, spun, undone. I met you in an alleyway, and I'm never okay, 'cause I'm pretending like I'm keeping it together. Oh, I'm pretending like I'm keeping it together. Oh, I'm pretending like I'm keeping it together. Oh, I'm pretending like I'm keeping it together.